So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look into the energies of what does Ma Durga or any form of divine feminine during the period of Navratri, what do they want you to know? And it's going to be a short and precise reading. There are going to be two different piles and you have to choose from any of the piles, okay? The first pile is going to be citrine bracelet, okay? You see this is going to be first pile. And second pile is going to be a smoky quartz bracelet. Okay, pile 1 and pile 2. I'm going to start with pile number 1. I'm going to wear, so you know that it's a pile number 1 reading, which is going to be citrine. Okay, so what does Devi Ma, Durga Ma, or the divine feminine that you believe in wants you to know? Okay, if you're of a different caste also, it doesn't mean that you have to be believing that it's Durga. It could be a divine feminine energy. It could be Mother Earth as well, because she is an aspect of divine femininity. Okay, so during the period of Navratri, or for the next 10 days, what is the message that you need to know? What does Ma wants you to know? Okay, okay, what does Ma wants you to know? Six Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. Okay. So people who've chosen first pile, the guidance for you and what Ma wants you to know during the next 10 days in the Navratri period. Okay. The very first thing that's coming in is that there are a lot of opportunities related to specifically to your career. It could also resonate with you for your love life, for your friendship, for your relationships. Okay. But focus on the energy. That's how you'll be able to connect with the area in your life that the guidance is coming in for. Okay. So the very first thing that's coming in is that there are a lot of opportunities that are coming towards you or want to come towards you, but you do not need to instantly reject it because you believe and you think that this will not go long term or this will not benefit your growth. Do not do that. Okay, universe wants you to know that धैर्य से काम करना, ठहराव से काम करना, थोड़ा connect with your earth element, connect with the prithvi element. Okay, ground your energy and then take decisions, because in the aspect of, see, right now you're in the energy of very logical thinking and very practical thinking कि अगर ये वर्क नहीं करेगा तो मैं काम नहीं करूंगा, इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे तो ही मुझे आगे जाना है, एंड यू आर ओनली थिंकिंग फ्रॉम योर आइडियोलॉजी, फ्रॉम ओनली योर perspective. Okay, and right now universe wants you to change the way you're taking decisions, change your approach. Okay, because फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर अ पर्सन हु टेक्स द डिसीजन ओनली इंस्टेंटली, जब आपको रिजल्ट दिख जाता है कि हाँ थोड़ा किया रिजल्ट आ रहा है तो वही करना है, तो मतलब नहीं, और इट वोंट बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. That's not how you need to look at the situation. Universe this time wants you to be like, okay, I'll try for 21 days and then see if it benefits me or not, and then I'll take the decision. ये एनर्जी शिफ्ट आनी चाहिए. अगर ये एनर्जी शिफ्ट से आपने काम शुरू कर दिया ना, तो अपॉर्चुनिटी जो आ रही है ना, that will benefit you and that will increase your finances, that will expand your career. It is also going to give you a very good solid foundation to start something. So that is the first thing that universe and Ma wants you to know. And थोड़ा इतना stubbornness और इतनी intellectual, so you cannot always be intellectual and practical and then make decisions, because in the aspect of business, in the aspect of work, emotions work like magic. Okay, if you can connect with the opposite person emotionally, okay, and if you can connect with the same emotional value, you can influence and market your work, you can influence and market your product. तो आप इधर कहीं ना कहीं वो इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट को टच नहीं कर रहे, जो करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो इफ यू वांट टू गेट डन विथ योर वर्क, ओके, इफ योर अपॉर्चुनिटी इज देयर, इफ योर वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन बट काम नहीं हो रहा है, तो सामने वाले इंसान से इमोशनल लेवल पे कनेक्ट हो जाओ. उनको समझो कि उनको क्या जरूरत है, उनके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. Accordingly work, accordingly come on the same page, and then see how the work gets done. That is also something that's coming in. Mom wants you to know that I'm getting an energy of mountains. Okay, if you look at the King of Swords energy, you might, a lot of you, be called to go around mountains or be around the nature. And if you feel that there is a calling within you, do it. Okay, because this is leading to a very transformational journey which you don't even know about. Or uske baad, once you do this travel, or once you go to that nature place, it could be only for a day or 2 3, try to do that, because it's going to be healing a aspect of your childhood that is actually creating a hindrance in your ability to take judgments, in your ability to make decisions, in your ability to settle for things, in your ability to invest. कहीं ना कहीं ये एक चीज है जो आपको रोक रही है, जो आपको ग्रोथ नहीं दे रही है, जो आपको आगे बढ़ना है बट बढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो. Okay, that is because there is some inner child healing that is left, there is some nurturance that's left, or else it could also be that your inner child just needs to be in the energy of child rather than always being a mature adult and taking the being more righteous and being more principle oriented and always taking the responsibility. कहीं ना कहीं इसको थोड़ी freedom. ऐसा होता है ना एक इंसान के completely all the time he is working. Okay, he is working 9 to 5, or he is working on a skill, a creative project, because that's important for him, because it's his or her baby. Okay, but then sometimes just sitting and listening to the songs, or just sitting and watching the movie, is also important to balance your energy. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm picking up for guidance for pile number 1, whoever is chosen the citrine bracelet. Okay, बहुत ही माइंड में नहीं रहना है, बहुत ही वायु एनर्जी में नहीं रहना है. ट्राई टू कम इनटू द एनर्जी ऑफ अर्थ, पृथ्वी. अगर आप always mentally, see, you cannot always be in extremities, and extremities doesn't work at the end of the day. In long run it doesn't work. Okay, always logical thoughts and always logical decisions will not work. थोड़ा emotions में आना है, थोड़ा grounding करना है, and the balance will come into your life. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपके I'm seeing joint pain, knee pain, leg pain, अगर body में भी pain हो रहा है, because body is tired of you being in your head. Come into your heart space, come into your emotions. थोड़ा ढीला छोड़ दो अपने आप को. ठीक है, that's the overall guidance for pile number 1. Okay, let's move to pile number 2. And people who have chosen second pile, okay, which is smoky quartz, we're going to see what does Ma wants you to know. I've already picked out 3 cards. Let's see. 9 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Okay, so we have these 3 cards. Which is the 9 of Wands. Okay, the first thing that Ma wants you to know for the next 10 days is जिंदगी में अब रफ्तार आने वाली है. ठीक है, and what do I mean by रफ्तार आना? ठीक है, like it's like you have done your learning process. Okay, the time till which you had to learn, the time till which you had to enhance your skill, polish your skill, the time is done. Okay, now is time to work, now is time to give, now the solitude period is done. Now you have to go out and you have to share and serve your gift, your talent. I'm also getting an energy of people here are going to have a complete shift, okay, from feeling like they are not good enough, they do not deserve enough, maybe they don't have in themselves to give to people, or they do not have the ability or the capability or the caliber to do that amount of work or that kind of work. ये पूरा shift होने वाला है drastically. Okay, I'm seeing that now you're going to be in your power. You know, I want to get a little bit deeper into it for all of you guys, because I feel that right now you're in between. Okay, you're in a state, you are moving out from your cocoon, from your shell. You have learned your lessons, you've understood that There are these things that you do not have to repeat. It's not mistake, but it's like a lesson, a karmic cycle that now you're already closing. It's in the process of just getting done. Okay, and Ma wants you to tell you that you've done a very great job. I literally feel the energy कि इंसान बहुत self doubt में है, खुद को समझ नहीं पा रहा है. The person is feeling lost. The person doesn't trust himself enough, doesn't trust his own abilities. Sometimes it's like राजा को नहीं पता कि ये राजा है. Sort of that energy. That the talented person actually doesn't even believe that I have enough talent to serve people, but you do, and people see that around you. Okay, so it's that sort of an energy. I am seeing that for you guys. Ma wants you to know that if you're thinking to move from one place to another, if you're thinking to shift your homes, it's a great decision for you. The energy shift needs to happen. Okay, if you're planning to buy a home, change your place, change your office, change your job, please do that. Okay, that energy is done. Okay, your past job, your recent job, the way you were working till now, okay, the way you were mentally functioning, the way you were physically functioning, the way you were functioning overall is done. अगर आप योगा कर रहे थे, बेसिक लेवल का कर रहे थे, अब टाइम आ गया है एडवांस पे जाने के लिए. Now you have to work on your mental strengths. Now you have to work on your Patanjali Sutras. Okay, so that change is out there, and एज आई सेड जिंदगी में रफ्तार आ रही है. तो अगर गाड़ी बहुत धीमी धीमी चल रही थी, अब पूरी स्पीड में चलने वाली है, एंड यू डोंट इवन हैव आइडिया अबाउट इट बिकॉज इट्स गोना हैपन वेरी ड्रास्टिकली बिकॉज you have done enough amount of work. Okay, I'm also seeing that finances जिसके अटके हुए थे, जिनके finances नहीं आ रहे थे, opportunities नहीं मिल रही थी, now the opportunities are also going to show up for you. You have to go and choose those opportunities. I am seeing that now you are going to be realizing how much you can bring change into other people's life because you brought the change in your life. And that change can be a decision. One decision away, you might have heard these sayings, you're just one decision away from changing your life. ये एक डिसीजन क्या है पता है? बस तुमको है ना, वो रूम, वो घर, वो एनवायरमेंट, वो दिमाग की स्थिति से बाहर आना है. वो बाहर कैसे जाओगे आप? That opportunity will come to you, but you have to see, observe and choose it. Okay, I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm ready to do it. Do that. Okay. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है despite whoever is feeling that their work is not doing well, and how am I telling you कि आपका काम अच्छा हो जाएगा, you should change your place, you should change the place where you're working. Now doesn't mean the change has to be as big as you're changing the states, but there has to be change in the environment. It could as simple as be कि तुम, if you're living in Bombay, from one end of the Bombay to, you're going from South Bombay to the Sobo, which is called as the area of Borivali, Kandivali. Basically, it's like Pune, Maharashtra. है, distance है, 3-4 घंटे का distance है. But इतना भी चलेगा, जरूरी नहीं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें करनी है. But there has to be change in the environment. You cannot be any more where you used to be. Okay, I'm literally seeing the people that उनका mindset, उनका perspective पूरा change हो गया है. Okay, life has happened to you in a very good way. Okay, you might not realize it, but you will in the next 4 months. Okay, I'm seeing that by next 4 months you are going to be a very powerful self of yourself, जिनके पास खुद का self control रहेगा. He or she will have a very clear and clarity picture of their business plan and the entrepreneur plan, their work plan. अगर रिलेशनशिप के एस्पेक्ट में देख रहे हो ये रीडिंग, तो समझ जाना कि जिसके साथ हो, yeah, I'm getting an energy that I'm literally getting an energy somebody new is going to come in. It's not the one with whom you're right now. It might not resonate with everybody because it's a general reading. Okay, you can definitely book a private reading if you feel connected with. But coming back to the reading, the person whom you are with, or you've been, or you've just broken up, or something like that, that if you were glad that you're doing it, that is not the one for you. The right one will actually come in the future for you. And if you're thinking that you want to move on from that relationship, then just know that this is the right path for you. And if you are literally doubting your own actions, and if you think that, still I cannot trust my own self, and still I'm not able to believe in my own capabilities, then universe wants you to focus on the emperor. Emperor is all about efforts, it's all about action. So till now, every single day you've been taking actions, you've been going through, it's like the Shani's energy, वो आपको पूरा कस के रख देगा. And when it gives, वो छप्पड़ पार के भी देता है शनि. So it's like you've already putting in the efforts. Just look at the effort, and that's how you're going to build the trust for yourself again, and you are progressing. Okay, so that is what universe wants you to know, and it's a general reading, so take it how it resonates, but this is what Ma wants you to know for the next 10 days. So if you feel connected with the reading, then definitely you can book the reading with me. All the details are there in the description box, and I'm so grateful that you stayed till the end. I'm so sorry in the end, the last few minutes the voice went out, so I recorded it again. And I'm really, really grateful for your patience and your understanding. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.